Stain removal. Baking soda is a powerful ally in the battle against stains, effectively tackling a variety of surfaces, including fabric, carpets, and hard surfaces. Its gentle abrasive nature helps lift stains without damaging the material. To create a paste for stain treatment, mix baking soda with a small amount of water until it reaches a thick consistency. This paste can be applied to stains from coffee, wine, grease, and even pet accidents. Allow it to sit for a few minutes before scrubbing gently and rinsing. With baking soda, you can achieve impressive stain removal results while keeping your home safe and chemical-free. Deodorizing fridges and freezers. Baking soda is an excellent solution for keeping your refrigerator smelling fresh. To use it effectively, place an open box of baking soda in the fridge, allowing it to absorb unwanted odors. For optimal results, it's recommended to replace the baking soda every 3 months, as its effectiveness diminishes over time. Additionally, to maintain a fresh-smelling fridge, regularly check for expired or spoiled food and clean spills promptly. You can also use a mixture of baking soda and water to wipe down shelves, further enhancing odor control. With these simple steps, your fridge can stay fresh and inviting. Personal care uses. Baking soda offers a range of personal care applications that can enhance your daily routine. One widespread use is in toothpaste, where it acts as a natural whitening agent, helping to remove stains and brighten teeth. Additionally, baking soda can be incorporated into homemade deodorants and scrubs, providing effective odor control and gentle exfoliation. However, it's essential to exercise caution, as some individuals may experience skin sensitivity. Always perform a patch test before applying baking soda to your skin, and consider diluting it with water or mixing it with other ingredients to minimize irritation. With proper use, baking soda can be a valuable addition to your personal care regimen. pH balancing. Baking soda plays a crucial role in maintaining pH balance across various applications. In gardening, it can be used to neutralize acidic soil, promoting healthier plant growth and improving nutrient availability. When it comes to swimming pools, adding baking soda helps maintain proper pH levels, ensuring clean and safe water for swimmers. Additionally, baking soda can benefit skin pH balance by acting as a gentle exfoliant and helping to soothe irritation. By incorporating baking soda into these areas, you can achieve optimal conditions for plants, pools, and skin, making it a versatile tool for maintaining balance in your environment. Fire extinguisher. Baking soda can be an effective tool for extinguishing small grease fires due to its unique chemical properties. When heated, baking soda releases carbon dioxide, which helps smother flames and deprive the fire of its oxygen supply. However, it's crucial to exercise caution when using baking soda for fire control. Always ensure you're dealing with a small fire and never pour water on grease fires, as this can worsen the situation. This knowledge is beneficial in kitchen settings, where grease fires can occur while cooking.